Sir, after the 2 weeks of Pahalgam attack, in which 26 tourists were killed, and now the India took action against terrorists and hit the 9 establishments of terrorists. How do you assess this action?
See, first of all, we all Indians, irrespective of our religion, our caste, our language, province, we can legitimately feel proud that we have done something, we have done successfully, and we have done lot of restraint. We have hit not 1, 2, but 9 terrorist targets, their bases, hub center, जो कुछ भी उनको कहिए आप, that within 25 minutes, 1:05 में ये एक्शन शुरू हुआ, 1:30 में ख़त्म हो गया। 9 जगह में यहाँ पे टेररिस्ट कैंप थे या पढ़ाते थे, आर्म रखते थे, वो सबको नष्ट कर दिया। तो ये बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट, पर हमने किसी सिविलियन टारगेट को नहीं अटैक किया, किसी मिलिट्री इंस्टॉलेशन को अटैक नहीं किया, लाइन कंट्रोल को भी क्रॉस नहीं किया, बाहर बैठ के। तो ये बहुत ही लिमिटेड फोकस सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक है टेररिस्ट अगेंस्ट, जिन्होंने हम पर इनोसेंट लोगों को मार करके उकसाया, हमको उसका जवाब देना चाहिए था। इसके लिए हम सबको जो है प्राउड फील करना चाहिए। हमारे फौजें, आर्मी, नेवी, एयर फोर्स, उन्होंने जो काम किया उसकी बहुत सराहना करनी चाहिए। हमको देश की जो सरकार है उसकी भी सराहना करना चाहिए कि एक जो है राजनीतिक पॉलिटिकल ग्रीन सिग्नल आता है, लीडरशिप आती है वो। और मैं ये कहूँगा कि हमें सारी देश की जितनी अपोजिशन लीडर के हैं उनको भी तारीफ करना चाहिए। उन्होंने इस मौके पर एक साथ होकर के सरकार के कदम की सराहना की, सपोर्ट किया। मैं चाहता हूं कि ये यूनाइटेड स्टैंड ऐसा बना रहे तो देश के प्रगति के रास्ते में कुछ नहीं आ सकता।
सर, how do you think the Pakistan is in a condition to retaliate?
You see, Pakistan, as you know, is a nuclear power. Pakistan, in terms of economy, you can say 1/10. But in terms of army, it's a very sizable army. They have a lot of arms, they have weapons. But fact is that you have to see whether you are leading your army to do something which is right or doing something wrong. I have written an article some time back. I said, look, Pakistan, ISI army have fought war with India 4 times. 1947, 65, 71, कारगिल। हर बार उनकी हार हुई। उसके बावजूद भी उन्हें कोई लेसन नहीं सीखा कि आपका उद्देश्य क्या। आप पीछे पड़े हुए कश्मीर नहीं ले सकते आप। ये मानसिक बात अपने दिमाग से ये निकाल दें। कश्मीर देखिए 75 साल हो गए, ये हिस्ट्री है। कश्मीर इंडिया का पार्ट है, रहेगा, आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते। उसको आप अलग हटा दें तो हिंदुस्तान के साथ रास्ते बहुत अच्छे हो सकते, प्रोवाइडेड ये सब नहीं। आपने खलिस्तानी को ट्रेन किया, आप जिहादी को ट्रेन करते हैं, आप इंसर्जेंट ट्रेन करते हैं, आप जो है जो भी मिलिटेंट हैं कश्मीर उन्हें ट्रेन करते हैं, उनको दोबारा वहाँ भेजते हैं। तो ये इस तरह क्या करेंगे आप? आपके लीडर ने कहा था आप 1000 कट करेंगे, 1000 साल लड़ाई ने। ये सब देख रहे हैं कि आप 75 साल में कुछ नहीं कर पाए। आपकी देश की हालत ये हो गई कि आप जो है बैंकरप्ट होने जा रहे हैं। आपकी इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन बहुत खराब। इस हालत में भारत जैसे देश के साथ लड़ाई करने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है। पर प्रॉब्लम वहाँ पे ये है कि वहाँ की आर्मी ने जनता के सामने कह रखा है हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान का दुश्मन नंबर 1 है। और ये एक जो है यू क्रिएट एन एनिमी एंड टू रिटेन योर पावर यू गो ऑन प्रोजेक्टिंग that India is going to do this, so they should support you. And now, as you know, last 75 years, army in Pakistan has become a huge industrial business empire. All the generals are retired, not they have got millions of dollars. They live life with luxury. Public is poor, and they can do it so long they can retain power, and they can retain power so long as they have to whip up some kind of feeling, anti-Pakistan feeling, India की तरह का। And the poor civilian government, whenever is required, from time to time they have prime minister who have been elected, but prime minister are mere puppet in their hand. डिफेंस पॉलिसी, फॉरेन पॉलिसी, सिक्योरिटी पॉलिसीज़ में उनकी सिविलियन गवर्नमेंट का कोई हाथ नहीं है। चाहे वो इमरान खान हो, चाहे नवाज शरीफ हो, चाहे बेनजीर भुट्टो हो, कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे। तो पाकिस्तान का इस तरह का जो सिस्टम है उसको चेंज करना पड़ेगा, उनको खुद बाहर गला नहीं कर सकते। वहाँ की जनता को ही सोचना चाहिए, कितने साल गुजर गए, आपके बगल के देश में इतनी प्रगति होगी तो आपके यहाँ क्यों नहीं है। वहाँ के काफ़ी कुछ लोग यंग हैं, वो सोचते होंगे, पर उनका माहौल ऐसा है कि वो खोल के बोल नहीं सकते। आजकल इंटरनेट है, आजकल इतना सोशल नेटवर्क है, उनको पता है कहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है। वो भी चाहते हैं कि हमारे देश में इस तरह की चीज़ें हों, पर खुलेआम नहीं कह सकते। तो ये जो है एक ऐसी स्टेज आ गई जहाँ पाकिस्तान के पीपल को कुछ सोचना पड़ेगा कि ये पॉलिसी 3 साल से हमको इससे फ़ायदा क्या है, और हिंदुस्तान के खिलाफ लड़ने से फ़ायदा क्या है, और आपको इससे मिल क्या रहा है। आप कुछ नहीं मिल रहा। आप ओके जाके मार आएंगे, निहत्ते सिविलियंस को मारने में क्या बहादुरी है? कोई बहादुरी नहीं है। आप जाकर के वो लोग आज टूरिस्ट साहब मार रहे हैं, कोई बहादुरी नहीं है। और वहाँ पर आपके ट्रेन पैथोलॉजिकल किलर हैं, वो आदमी मारा कह रहा, आप जाकर मोदी साहब को बताओ, दैट मीन्स दिस पर्सन इज क्रेजी। उसको पता नहीं है, खेल समझ रहा है। मैं समझता हूँ पाकिस्तान में, यस दे कैन नॉट विन वॉर अगेंस्ट, दे हैव नेवर वॉन 4 टाइम, बट दे कैन इन्फ्लिक्ट लॉट ऑफ डैमेज टू अस, दे कैन किल के मिलियन। अभी देखिए इस वजह से क्या हो रहा है, आपकी सेलिंग जो बॉर्डर हो रही है, 10 लोग मर चुके हैं, 50 लोग घायल, और कंटिन्यू करते रहेंगे इसमें। आप ये तो सिविलियन बेचारे क्या करेंगे, वो गांव वाले रह रहे हैं वहाँ पे, तो दे कैन रियली कॉज लॉट ऑफ डैमेज। बट on the whole, if we have long-term conflict, there is no chance Pakistan winning. But I personally feel there are a lot of Pakistani friends, countries outside, they are advising them that look, this first round is over, your fellows game killed innocent people, India has taken action, and you just don't react. Now let us see what happens. Some minister gave a statement that Pakistan will not retaliate if India halt attack. But India has never said we are going attacking. We simply want to target, we can't, but it's up to you. They have opened their airspace also. तो सिग्नल इस तरह के आ रहे हैं, साहब वो बढ़ाना नहीं चाहते, पर इसको देखना पड़ेगा। यू हैव टू सी फ्रॉम द एंगल ऑफ व्हाट द आर्मी जनरल वांट. जनरल मुनीर मेड दोज provocative statement that now having raised the tempo, talking about two nation theory and all that, if he doesn't do anything, he will lose face. I'm not expert, but I personally feel for army general losing face is a very difficult thing. And he has become general just he's chief army staff not a long time. Okay. So for saying things and not doing anything, which will be very, very bad for reputation. So his personal feeling will be to do something. But advise others will say, perhaps you don't do it. Now let us see which side wins, because wisdom will say you should not do anything, we should de-escalate, diffuse it, and slowly we move toward normalcy. But as army person in uniform, he might feel we should do something. But then they should also remember history, because Pakistani army doesn't have much great record. After not 194,000 of them surrendered Baraka. In history of army warfare, nowhere 94,000. You can surrender if you are 500, 1,000, but you can't send 90. Now the whole army is there. You could have continued fighting, get 5,000 killed, but no, you don't want to get killed. You surrender. So that maybe that he realizes that perhaps this is not the right time and keep quiet. But we should not underestimate the enemy. We should not trust what Pakistan says, because so far history is what their leaders have been saying and what has happened. Whether Bajpayee went to Lahore, what happened in Kargil? Modi went to Lahore, went to Pathankot. You have a whole history that you try to extend a hand of friendship, peace gesture. Instead of really shaking hand and coming halfway, they really retaliate with terrorist attack, which is a negative thing to do.
Sir, India has sent a message globally through this strike. What do you think about this?
I think this time we have done the whole planning very smartly. Before attack, we have sensitized USA, UK, European countries, Arab Gulf country where Prime Minister has been going, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar. We have said, look, you should see from our angle. Our innocent people keep on getting killed. These people don't, we have to take action. And nobody has questioned that we don't have a right. All what they've been saying is restraint. This is very diplomatic language. When somebody says both sides are restraint, they are not saying you don't fight. What they're saying is, bada mat karo. So they say, okay, they will say, as French president got arrested, all right. But fact is, we did not escalate. We wanted to escalate, we could have escalated. We could have gone straight to bomb the Rawalpindi, but no, we have not even gone beyond. Some are 13-kilometer border, 30, 25, they POK, all the, but fact is, they are all terrorist scam. अभी उसका मसूद अजहर की शायद सिस्टर की डेथ हुई है, बदन लॉ को करा रहा है कोई इकबाल का. But fact remains that we have great powers, friendly powers who have been supporting our cause. चाहे रशियन प्रेसिडेंट पुतिन हो, चाहे अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट हो, रूबियो को भी इन्फॉर्म स्टेट अवे. In the morning, you say that Jaishankar did inform them. We have kept. So public opinion internationally understands what we have done is right, and we had no option. We have to do it. What they are all concerned is this will not get out of hand. And that is like you say, both hand clap. You can't, we can maintain restraint, but tomorrow if we are doing, this fellow says, okay, let us go and bomb somewhere in Kashmir or Jammu, then certainly India cannot. India will have to react. And that is this one, this is a ladder goes up, because we will do something, they will do something, we will do something. So I think the sober mind, school mind will advise Pakistan, and which I include countries like China, Turkey, Malaysia, who have been supporting, telling them that, look, yes, India has attacked, but you please note what they have done. They have not touched your army, they are not civilian, no government. These are known terrorists. Some of them are on the UN terrorist list. So how can you blame them to, if Americans can come and kill Osama bin Laden, you don't object. Indians are doing the same thing, why you object? So there is, let us say next 48 hours going to be very crucial, because a lot of advice will come different quarters. But I personally feel the majority of the countries understand Indian action. We must compliment government to really sanitize on diplomatic front, political front. This first time we have really treated and involved the opposition leader. We had meeting there, then again meeting, I'm told, tomorrow. So they should also feel that we are really, and all of them have included, whether it's Rahul Gandhi or somebody else, they have all come on board. And this is a good thing. We should really be united in the face of, or Army, Air Force, Navy, we had never been any question about their capability. Only thing is the guidance. And we have also gone, not rushed them. If you see the series of consultations for last 10 days, means slowly we have all taken opinion of all different sources. Then only we thought, then it has been done. So I think it has been a very, very smartly planned and flawlessly executed, and a very, very successful operation, for which we all should be very proud of.
Thank you, sir, for expressing your valuable views.
Thank you.